Hello, welcome. Today, we're diving into Redux Thunk and Redux Saga. These are popular middleware solutions. They help manage asynchronous actions in Redux. Many developers find it tricky to choose between them. Let's break down the differences. First, let's define what each is. Redux Thunk lets you write action creators that return a function instead of an action object. This function can then dispatch multiple actions. It's useful for handling asynchronous logic like API calls. Redux Saga is a middleware library. It aims to make side effects easier to manage. It uses generator functions. These can be paused and resumed. This makes asynchronous flows more readable and testable. So, what are the key differences? Thunk is simpler to learn and use. It's often a good starting point for smaller projects. Saga has a steeper learning curve. It requires understanding generators. However, it offers more powerful control over asynchronous operations. Now, consider the testability aspect. Thunk relies on mocking dependencies. This can become complex as your application grows. Saga's generator-based approach makes testing easier. You can test Sagas by iterating through the generator. This confirms the expected sequence of effects. Error handling is another important consideration. Thunk uses try/catch blocks within the dispatched function. Saga provides more sophisticated error handling mechanisms. These include automatic retries and cancellation. What about cancellation capabilities? Thunk offers limited cancellation support. You might need to implement custom logic for aborting asynchronous operations. Saga provides built-in cancellation capabilities. You can cancel long-running tasks easily. Consider complexity too. Thunk is suitable for simple asynchronous tasks. It's ideal for fetching data or dispatching a sequence of actions. Saga shines in complex scenarios. Think of handling WebSockets, managing retries, or orchestrating complex workflows. Now, let's look at an example. Imagine fetching user data from an API. With Thunk, you dispatch a request action, perform the API call, and then dispatch either a success or failure action. With Saga, you would define a Saga that takes the request action, calls the API, and then puts either a success or failure action. You can also use takeLatest, which automatically cancels any previous API calls if the user clicks multiple times quickly. Which one should you choose? If you need a quick and easy solution for simple asynchronous operations, go with Thunk. If your application has complex asynchronous flows, requires robust error handling, or needs precise control over side effects, then Saga is the better choice. Both are valuable tools. Your project's needs should guide your decision. Thank you for watching. I hope this video clarified the differences between Redux Thunk and Redux Saga. If you found this helpful, please consider liking this video and leaving a comment below. Any support will help us create better content.